Alright guys, look what I got. Tom Ford Beau de Jour. So let's unbox this together. Shh. ASMR. Classic. Oh man, these are pretty hefty cap. So I know Beau de Jour is a lavender fougere aromatic. Fougere is like barbershop fragrance. Typically it's lavender heavy. Holy crap, I just realized, check this out. It's crooked. Okay, that's a quality control. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can spot that. That's kind of frustrating. Okay, anyways, so yeah, the smell right off the bat, it smells like shaving cream, basically. I smell some lavender. I smell some aromatics, a slight citrus, more of like an old school lemon smell. Yeah, this is pretty good. But yeah, so that's the unboxing of Tom Ford Beau de Jour. All right, onto the shelf.